Code review time. Let's go. Source code is here if you want to take a look at it. In the Tileway function section within Tileway plot all, we've added more code to this function. Parameters to unpack. So this is the name of all of the different parameters that could be bit packed into a uint32 instruction component. And this is the common data. This is also common data technically, but it's for an optimization. But all of this common data here is always in an instruction. But if the type of the instruction, is global, then we will also have this data inside of the uint32. If the type of the instruction is this stuff, a local instruction, then this is the stuff inside of the instruction. Okay, let's scroll down. We're going to run out of time. Parameter unpacking indexes. So we're going to get the actual bit index of all of these different parameters that can be bit packed into a uint32 value. So here are the constants in the Tileway system for the network bit order of those different instructions. Like where are those instructions physically bit packed into the uint32? This is the address and network bit order, but we need to invert those values so that we can get those addresses in actual bit order, because we're about to do some bit shifty craziness to get all of these different attributes out of the binary value, okay? Out of the uint32 binary value. Okay, let's scroll down here. So here's where we loop through both of our buffers, and here's where we select the buffer. Here's where we're going to loop through every single instruction. Here's where we're extracting the instruction. And this is the instruction we're concerned with, the positional information instruction. So right here, this is always going to be extracted no matter what instruction type it is. And then after we've extracted the instruction type, if it is a global instruction type, then we're going to extract GTX and GTY. If it is a room local coordinate instruction type, then we're going to extract the hotel coordinate, the room coordinate, and the room local X and Y. Okay? And then down here, we're going to do some plotting with those parameters, but we're going to do that in a different video because this is already enough code. Here's what we did previously. Here's all of our footnotes. Here's what we did in this video. So like and subscribe. If you want a longer explanation, you'll have to go here to the Ninja Coder channel. Like and subscribe. My name is Kanji Coder. I'm working on a fully destructible fractal geometry bomb game.